Hello, so this video is about how to do a better job of installing a new cover on the center console. This is a 2015 Forester, and the vinyl has peeled off of this fabric on the center console. So I picked this up off of Amazon, and it has these two elastic straps that are supposed to just pull over it, but they would sort of interfere with this sliding ability. So I figured let's disassemble the center console sliding part and see if there's a better way to do it. So there is. So you take a flat-bladed screwdriver and put it right there, and this section will pop off. It has four clasps that there's two of them, and then you just pull it down and it comes off. There's the four clasps that snap into four holes in this cover. Now this whole cover just slides right out. And then we're going to be taking these 5 screws, Phillips screws, off. And then after that, we'll be taking 4 inner screws off, and then we will slide this cover over it, reassemble it, and all will be good. And I've already done this and lost the video, so this is a redo. I don't know what happened to the video, but this will work just fine. And it almost looks factory. The color's not quite perfect, but it's good enough. This just pops right out, like so. And then need to take these 4 screws out. All right. Take this cover. Let's see here. This is the front, and this tag is the front. So I'm going to slide this in from the back. Slide the cover in from the front. Yeah, okay. Slide the cover in from the front to the back. So I'm going to try to move the cover to the back so it covers this back part a little better, and only just covers the original cover. Perfect. So now it's all even around the perimeter. So then I'm going to take this bar and let's see here, which one is this? This is this one. It only has, oh no, this one goes this direction. I think they're universal. But when you put this down, there's these 4 pins that need to go into the non-screw holes. So I am going to put the elastic underneath this metal catch and put the bar down and pull the elastic back so that the hole goes into that oval slot. And on this front one, I'm going to push it backwards. And that is good there. Put a screw back in there and here. Now, I'm not going to quite tighten these down so that the elastic can even out when I put this one on, but I just run this in so it's loose, but won't let go. Now put the other bar in. And pull it off so it doesn't catch on that nib. And put the screws in. Drop my screwdriver. Oh. All right. Now we just tighten this up. Cover looks good. Now we're going to screw in the inner cover, which there's 3 holes and there's 3 in a line. Okay, that is done. This is the front, and it is going to slide right back onto this all the way down. Bring this up. These 2 go into those slots, and it's done. New cover, and this still works. Well, it was working. Why is this not working? Okay, now it's working. Don't know what was grabbing, but that is done. Yep. So there's your 10-minute repair of the cover. I'll have a link in the bottom for this one. I don't get any funds from Amazon for links, but it'll help you find it. Color's pretty close. I do like the way it fits though. It's nice and tight. So thank you.